Hello everyone, in this lesson I'll show you how to correctly import an AutoCAD DWG file here into SketchUp. Remember that in the AutoCAD file we have to check if the unit is set to meters. So inside AutoCAD with your file open we can type the command units, enter. In this window that opens we check here if the unit is in meters. If it's not in meters, change it to meters. With that we can click OK and save. Once in SketchUp, we then go to the top File tab and go here to Import. We're going to look for where our file is located. Over here on the side, we'll look for the AutoCAD Files option, okay, DWG. It will probably be the first option. Choose AutoCAD, even if it's here in the first option and you can see the file, it's important that you change it here to AutoCAD. Why? Because it will enable this Import Options button. So we click here on Options. We'll have a few items to adjust here. The first one is to disable the materials. I don't need SketchUp to import the layer colors I used in AutoCAD, so I turn off this option to import a file without materials. We also don't need it to preserve the drawing origin. This is relative to the XY axis used in AutoCAD, and here in SketchUp, we don't need that reference, so I can disable this. Also here in the unit section, we set it to meters, right? Just to be clear. With that, if we click OK, it will already be pre-configured. We select the file and import. It will show a report. We can click Close and we'll have our file. If we look at the materials list here in SketchUp and the In Model button, we won't have any materials imported with the file. Remember that when importing an AutoCAD file, it will come in as a component. That is, so I can adjust, edit, and work on this file. I can either right-click and choose to explode it, or we can double-click to enter edit mode, which allows us to work directly on our drawings. Okay? So once that's done, we have already imported the AutoCAD file at the correct scale, so we should not have any problems at all in our three-dimensional modeling. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you again in the next lessons. Thank you very much.